Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today I am going to show you how to make spicy pork belly with salt. This recipe is super easy. All you need is pork belly, fresh chilies, garlic, and salt. But it's so tasty. Let's get started. On medium-high heat add 400 grams pork belly. Stir fry until turning brown and the fat is translucent. Then pour off all the fat oil. Then bring back to stove. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Add 3 tablespoons chopped coriander root. If you can't find coriander root, you can use steamed coriander as well. Add 3 tablespoons chopped fresh Thai chilies. You can add more chilies for more spicy and less chilies for less spicy. Stir fry by tossing until everything is mixed well. Add half a teaspoon Knorr Pork flavor bouillon and 1 teaspoon salt to taste. Stir fry by tossing well. Then turn off the heat. Remove to the plate. Serve with rice. Enjoy!